Good morning, children. Today we are going to study mental maths. Check out mental maths, chapter 4, page 23b. Okay, take out page 23b. B. Uh, Write the numbers from smaller to larger. Smaller to larger, ascending order. Okay, means ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger, means bigger number, big number, small to big number. Okay, smaller than larger, smaller number to larger number. So if you follow me, B 1, 29, 68, 85, 37. Okay. You know, children, one number 1 to 100. Okay, so see, smaller I write first. So ones is different. You see, 7, 5, 8, 9. So children, tens, 3, 8, 6, 2 to underline. Okay, now you see small number 0, 0, 1, 1 after 2. So you find it after 2 tens. Okay, so you see 29. Okay, so I write here 29. 29 tens ones, 9 ones, 2 tens. Any problem? I hope everyone write, then you practice 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. You write tens and ones. It's very important. 68. Okay, 85 tens, 85 tens ones, 5 ones, 8 tens. So that's why I underline 37. Okay, right, tens ones, 37. So that's why I write, underline just tens. You see, 2, 8, 6, 8, 3. I underline. So now you children, 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, after 2, after 3, after 3, after 4. So you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, no. So after 1, 2, so you see first tens 2. So 29 I write here. Okay, then you see 2, after 2, 3. 3 is here? Yes, 3 is here. So write 37. 3, after 3, you know, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 tens is here. So you write 6, 8. First you see ones. You see, children, every ones is different. Okay, that's why I write last number, bigger number, largest number, 85. Finished. Number 2, 44, 57, 80, 74. Okay. So first you see what? Ones. Okay, 4, 0, 7, 4. 4, 4 is same. Okay, but you see, children, tens is different. 4, 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 ones is same, but ones is different. 4 tens, 7 tens. 4 small, then 7. So I underline first tens. Now you find it. 1 tens is here? No. 2 tens is here? No. 3 tens is here? No. 4 tens is here. So 44. 4, 4, 44. After you see, yes, 5, 7, 57. 57. 6 is here, 6 tens is here. No, 7 tens is here, 74. So I write 74 after 80. Three, 39, 93, 56, 26. Okay. See children, again you see first what? Ones. 6, 6, 3, 9. 6, 6, same number. Ones number is same, but tens number is different. You see, tens number is different. So, very easy. First number, tens, yes, 2 is small. So, write 26. After 2, 3, 39. 4 is here. No, 4 tens is not here. So, then after then 5, 6, 56. Then 9 tens, 93. Okay. I hope everyone understood. 98, 55, 62, 34. Okay. Now children, see, ones is different. 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 8, 8. Again they see 8, 5, 2, 4. Different ones. So no problem. No problem. Now you underline just tens. Now you see children, tens, small tens, yes, 34. 3 is small. 34 is small tens. Next, 4 tens is here. No, 5 tens is here. 5, 5, 55. So I write 55. Next, 62. 6 tens is here. 62. 7 tens is not here. 8 tens not here. 9 tens is here. See, 98. So you write here 98. Next, 5. I hope everyone understood. 57, 34. Okay. See, 4 ones. First ones you see 1, 4, 7, 4. Different. But 2, 4 is same. Ones. Ones. See, 44 ones, 34 ones. Okay. Same ones. But no problem. Tens is different. See, 3, 4 is different. So I underline tens. You also underline children? Yes. So now find first 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 34. Write first. 3. After 4, 4 tens, 44. 5 tens, 57. 6 tens is not here. 7 tens is not here. 8 tens is here. So 81. Last larger number 81 is here. So smaller number to larger number. This is ascending order. Okay. I hope everyone understood. So children, practice. Different number to write and practice. Okay. Next page 24. Page 24A, take out. A, write the numbers before and after. Again I repeat, children, 1 to 100 number and numbers name practice nicely. Okay, so A 1, first box 36, okay, number 1. See 36 before number 36 before number, after 36 number you write here. So before 36 you write 35. After 36 it's very easy. After 36 very easy. 36, 37. Okay. So before, practice. Number 2. $74. So after 74 you know very easy, 75. So 75, 74 before 73. Before 73. 3. Before number, first you write 28. 29 before number, 28. After number, after 29, 30. So practice. So before 77, 7, 6. Okay, 78. 78. 84. 84 before 84, before number 84, before number, right here 83. 8 tens, 4 before number 3. 8 tens, after number 4, 5. Okay, 6. 25. So before number 25, before number 22 you write first tens. Before number any problem, once you repeat 9 1 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So 5 4. So you write 4. Okay. Next 25, 26. So practice is very important. Before number, back number, practice. 6, 7, 20. 19 before 20, 19. After 20, 21. Okay. 25. 2 before 25, 2. 9 8 7 6 5 4. So 5 4 back number 4, 24, 25, 26. After number is very easy, but before number practice. Okay. Ten, 9, 39. 39, you write 3. 9 before number, yes, 8. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 38, 39. After 39, 40. Okay. So now last number 10. So children, practice. I hope everyone practice. Okay. 17. Yes. 6. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I write 16. 17. After 17, 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. Back number practice. Before number, after number also practice. Now children, B. Write the number that comes in between. Number 1, 63 between number 65. 63, 65. So 64 is between 63, 65. Number between number 64. Okay. Number 2, 97, 99. It's very easy. 97, 98. Between number 98. 27, 29. So between 27, 29, between number comes 28 is 28 is between 27, 29 number. 28 the number between 27, 28. 4, 16, 18. Any problem children? You see first number, write second number, 16, 17, 8. Okay. 5, 88, 90. So you know 89 is between number 88, 90. So write here 88, 89, 90. Okay. 6, 29, 31. 29, 30. So 30 is between number 29, 31. Okay. So next 7, 74, 76. 75 is between 74, 76. 8, 43, 45. So 44 is between 45, 43, 45. Number is between. Okay. Next number 9. 9, 10, 9, 10, 11. It's very easy. It's very easy. Practice. 71, 73. So 72 is between number 71. So I hope everyone understood. Practice. Okay. Maths between number, after, before, practice. Now take out your school diary, homework, you write chapter 4, page 23 and 24. So children, I hope everyone understood. So practice.